Thanks for joining me today. We're going to talk about the Valco flat chain corner. This corner is powder coated, has a plastic cover on top for safety to keep chickens and hens out of the corner. To remove the cover, simply unscrew the thumb wheel and then you can take the cover off. Inside the corner you can see features of the flat chain corner. It has a hardened cast iron corner wheel, and the corner wheel has ribs on the face where the chain lands to ensure that no matter what happens inside here, no matter what gets dragged through, the chain is always forcing the corner to turn. Also in the corner we have a hold down rail. This is a steel rail. It's also hardened just like the corner. A very hard file hardness. The hold down rail is oriented vertically, so it has a lot of wear surface. So if the chain does wear upward, it'll wear that hold down rail for a long time. The hold down rail is also reversible. You can remove these bolts, flip it upside down, and get a longer life out of the same hold down rail. The floor plate is hardened steel as well, and then the side trough hold downs are also hardened. So anything this chain is touching and wearing against is very hard steel. The powder coating is done to IS 101 international standards. That means that it's quality controlled. We test every batch to make sure the paint, the powder coating has adhered very well. The replaceable items, so when it does come time to replace, it's lived a long life. You can replace the wheel, you can replace the shaft, the hold down rail. Nothing is welded together except for the housing itself. It can be used with floor stands with these brackets on the outside, but it can also be suspended like is shown here. The same corner can do both installation methods. Corner wheel, there is a hardened bronze bushing, and it turns on a very hard axle shaft, both of which ensure a long life. Maintenance on the corner is simple. No tools are required. Simply remove the thumb screw and squirt a couple drops of SAE 80 weight oil into the axle, and that will grease the bushing that the wheel turns on, and do that once a month, and that corner will last a long time. To ensure quality on this corner, we test this corner in an aggressive wear test, an accelerated wear test, and it performs very well compared against competitors.